Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to write a simple print program in 5 programming languages. So we'll cover C, C++, Java, JavaScript and Python, and I'll walk you through each one step by step. Let's get started. So first, let's start with C. Here, hash include stdio.h is a header file to include the standard input-output libraries, which allows us to use the scanf and printf functions. Now, the main function is the entry point of our program. Here we can use either void main or int main, but using int main is considered as a good practice. Since int main requires a return value, we add return 0 at the end. Finally, to print the message, we use printf function. Now, let's run the code. So on the left, you'll see a .exe file creator. This happens because when we run the code, the compiler first compiles it into binary machine readable code and generates an executable .exe file, which is then executed to display the output. And finally, you could see the message appear on the terminal. Now let's move to C++, which is an extension of C with object-oriented features. Here, to include the standard input-output libraries, we use the header file #include iostring. The statement using namespace std avoids the need to prefix std before certain standard functions. As in C, we have the main function with a return statement. Here, we use the cout function to print the message. Let's run the code. So just like in C, compiling the C++ file generates a .exe file, and finally the output is displayed on the terminal. Let's move to Java. First, we will define the package, followed by the class. Inside it, we have public static void main, which is the main method where the program execution begins. Here, to print the message on the terminal, we use system.out.println. Now, before running the code, let's compile it first. To do this, we use the javac command followed by the file name. Once compiled, a .class file is generated which contains the bytecode. Now, to execute the program, we use the java command followed by the file name. And finally, the output is displayed on the terminal. Now let's try the program in JavaScript, which is mainly used for web development. So printing a message in JavaScript is simple. We just use console.log with the message inside it. Now let's run the code. Here, unlike C, C++, and Java, JavaScript doesn't create a .exe or .class file because it is an interpreted language. Instead, it runs directly inside an engine like Node.js or a web browser. So, you can see the output displayed on the terminal. And finally, let's see how to code this in Python. Similar to JavaScript, printing a message in Python is simple. We just use the print function with the message written inside it. Now let's run the code. Like JavaScript, Python is an interpreted language, so no .exe or .class file is created. Instead, the output is directly displayed in the console. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it useful. If you liked it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.